Good afternoon, everyone. It is sunny out here in Gulf Breeze, Florida today. We are at 1476 Ballyhoo Drive in the Seagate community. You are right by the Woodlawn Beach access and boat ramp. And this home is 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms and just over 3,000 square feet. So I cannot wait to take you inside this gorgeous home today. You do get a little porch out here to enjoy that Florida sunshine. And let's go ahead and take you guys inside. Luxury vinyl floors throughout the main area of the house. Such a neutral color that really allows the natural light to complement the home perfectly. And just to our right upon entry, we've got our first room. This is a flex space, so this could be dubbed as an at-home office, as you can see now. It could definitely be an exercise room, a playroom if you guys have kids, or it could be turned into a more formal dining room if you decide that this little space just off the kitchen is not to your liking, but this is gorgeous here. This is where they have their formal area, and this is just off to the left of the main entrance. Amazing window lighting all throughout, and you can even see we've got tray ceiling details throughout the home as well. So in bedrooms, in the living room, and then there is recessed lighting also all throughout the home. So continuing down this foyer here, it's super grand, super wide. So again, we're just opening up the floor plan of this home. It is beautiful. We're gonna go to the right, and we're gonna come across your first 2 bedrooms and your first full bathroom here. So this is actually one of your first bedrooms of the home. It is being used as a second office, but you do have a very nice sized closet in here. So really deep closet. And then bedrooms are going to be carpeted, as you can see, but still complementing the paint and the floor. And then we'll come over to our second bedroom. So nice size here. A little bit smaller than the previous, but you do get a bigger closet. So this one is going to be double doored. Nice size closet. And it absolutely is worth noting that this home was built in only 2021. So everything from your HVAC to your water heater to the roof is all less than 4 years old. So you don't have to worry about there. It is practically move-in ready. Here we are in our first full bathroom here. It's a single vanity, super nice vanity lighting, amazing granite countertops. I love the blue-ish flex in it. And then you do have a tub shower duo with that built-in tub. Look at that shower head, so nice. I love the inserts of that tub too to give you lots of space for storage. And then again, same LVP that is throughout the house is gonna be in those bathrooms. Tons of storage here. This is gonna be one of many storage closets throughout the home. But this right here is probably one of my favorite features, whether you enjoy hosting your friends and your family, or you have a large group of siblings in your family, whatever it may be. This is just such an open space here in your living room that I think is absolutely glorious, but it's still cozy and homey. So it is a living and kitchen open floor plan. And they did decide to add some additional seating here, which I think is a great idea. And then look at this island, you guys. So very large island here. Undermount sinks there. You could definitely turn that into a farm sink if you would like. And then you do have the dishwasher along this backside here, so it is hidden away from company. Tons of storage throughout, and of course you do have the breakfast bar applique. You can put stools underneath there for comfortable seating. You do have that wall stove and oven right there, and that built-in microwave, flat electric smooth surface stovetop, and then you have that double door fridge with those pull-out drawers for your fridge and freezer. And then again, just so much storage space throughout. I love the vent hood. It's very classy look, and it does match in well with everything else in the kitchen decor wise. So I'll give you another vantage point real quick. Again, with the tray ceiling detail, and that is the only ceiling fan you are gonna get in this home, but look how much space, guys. So beautiful, so open, perfect for hosting, entertaining, just wonderful. All right, so we're gonna go off to the left wing of the home here, off of the kitchen. This is going to be your third bedroom here. This is probably the largest of the spare bedrooms. You can fit that king size bed in here. You've got two gorgeously sized windows, and then you also have those double doors for your closet, and the closets have some pretty good depth too. And then coming through here, this is going to be our second of 3 full bathrooms. Same layout as the previous, except you've got a slightly smaller vanity in here, vanity space at least, still a single. And then you've got that same tub shower duo with that built-in tub, nice inserts in there again for good storage in the bathroom. And then just across the way here, we've got our 4th bedroom. So this one is still a fantastic size here, single window, but still keeping theme with the double door closet. And again, carpet is going to be throughout the bedrooms. It is a 2021 home, so you don't have to worry about carpet replacement or anything like that. It is basically good as new. And then just off to the right of the living room, you are going to have your primary suite. So this one has all the bells and whistles you could ask for here. I love the window side by side of the bed here. It is absolutely stunning, lets in all that gorgeous light. And then you also have your own entry and exit way, I guess, to the back door patio and deck area, which we will go look at momentarily. But first, and I think this is, besides the kitchen, this is probably people's most favorite, is the primary bathroom. So again, following theme with the luxury vinyl flooring, you do get a double vanity in here with that same granite countertop, so you get a seamless look throughout. Gorgeous vanity lighting and tons of storage in here. So look at all of that under sink storage with the drawers. And then this is actually going to be a linen closet right here. So you can store all of your linens. You don't have to worry about them taking up space underneath your sink. This bathroom does have a separate water closet, so you can close and lock the door so you are away from everybody else. And then I actually love this privacy wall here because just behind it, you have one of the most gorgeous tubs I've ever seen. So beautiful. This garden tub is nice and spacious. It's got a very luxe look with the faucet being in the wall instead of hanging off the side. I really do enjoy that. And then this gorgeous frosted window right here, still maintaining privacy, but you do get that inflow of amazing natural light here. And then just parallel to that, you get your walk-in shower. So if you're not a bath person, you really do get the best of both worlds here. The shower is stunning, very cozy, but also spacious as well. And then through this door, you are going to have a large size master closet. So it is completely walk-in. You've got tons of space in there. And yes, this master and primary is absolutely gorgeous. So we'll actually go out through the living room here. Again, giving you guys another look at the kitchen. So beautiful. And then we'll come through these double doors here and go out to the patio. So the current owners actually did put the epoxy on the floor themselves. So that was a new addition. But look at this, you guys. Absolutely perfect for hosting in the spring and fall months. Yes, I'm gonna omit summer because it is so hot out there, but hey, if you wanna go summertime too, more power to you. But they do have some extra outdoor seating here, enough room to put your smokers or grills, outside storage. And then probably another high selling point is all the work that they've done on the outside here. So you do have that built-in fireplace, as well as this massive extra large hot tub that is going to convey. So the hot tub does come with the house. So wonderful. Privacy fencing through your backyard, so you do get a little bit of quiet time from your neighbors. So beautiful out here, you guys. And we'll take you back inside. So truly, you have enough space in this home to make it anything and everything you could ever want. Again, you're sitting at 3,018 square feet in this home, and you truly do feel it without losing that homey, cozy feel here. Again, this is 1476 Ballyhoo Drive out in Gulf Breeze, Florida. We are in the Seagate community. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and we would absolutely love for you guys to come check this property out.